Hey, interested in seeing my review and unboxing on tote&carry? Please stay tuned because it's coming up next. Hey, what's up? Thank you for tuning in. So as you saw in the introduction, today's video is pretty much just going to be an all haul Wednesday video, and the company or the brand that I'm going to be doing my all haul Wednesday video on today is tote&carry. So before we get started on the actual review, what I'm gonna need y'all to do for me is go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button, please and thank you. I need that. Now, I don't know about y'all, but they have been popping up on my timeline a lot. Being the fact that we're in this kind of movement where we're trying to spend more of our money in the Black community, we're trying to keep it within the Black community and start this whole generational wealth. Tote&carry is a Black owned brand, or at least 50% as far as from my knowledge. The products are not real leather, it is vegan leather. I believe it's like recycled parts and pineapple leaves. It's a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know. You can Google that if you want to. But anyway, so it's Black owned. It is vegan leather. From the looks of the website, it looks like it's some high quality material. So that's really why I felt the need to go and buy it. Not only because it was Black owned, but when I saw the picture, it looked good, and then the material and the quality of it looked good as well. So I decided to go ahead and give it a chance, go ahead and purchase it. I'm a little cheap when it comes to a lot of stuff, so I always look for bargains, look for deals, sales, all that. So for me personally, this was a kind of expensive buy. So we are going to go ahead and get started about the brand. Now, I'm not exactly sure the location or the city that they're based out of. However, my package did originate in Baldwin Park, California. So I'm just going to put two and two together and assume that they are based out in that area. As far as like the website goes, I didn't have a problem with it. Even though there was a lot of product to go through, it was designed in a way where it wasn't too much to take in. Besides the fact that the stuff would look good, like I think the ad, because that's how I originally came across tote&carry, was an Instagram ad. It was the ad with the orange bag and the orange tote, and I think the dude had the face mask. And I saw it and I was like, ooh, that looks good. I need that. Then I was continuing to going through it after I found out it was a Black owned company. I was like, okay, I need to go ahead and, check them out, see what's up. And after going through the page, I'm seeing stuff that I like, and I love black everything because it goes with everything. So after going through that page, going, I finally came across the bag, and it was gorgeous, and so I decided to finally get it. It didn't take long. It was just more so scrolling through pages and whether or not I wanted a travel set, if I wanted the duffel bag, if I wanted fanny pack. They have different categories. Okay, so we are going to start with the duffel bag. Ooh, nice. Hey, this bag is heavy, y'all. I always gotta do a smell check. It don't stink. Cool. I like that. Okay. So this is the bag right here. Inside. It's pretty roomy. This bag is heavy, y'all. I feel like my arms are starting to hurt. This is a nice size bag, y'all. Like, I know I'm small. Like, this is a big bag, y'all. Okay, And then, oh, this is the strap. Yeah, this is the strap to go right here. So this is the bag. It has this compartment like right here. It has this compartment right here. And then it has another compartment with a zipper right here. Got a nice little space. Okay. So I don't have a shoe compartment or anything. That's more so like a gym bag. So. This is nice. This is nice. I like it. Okay. This is nice. So now we're gonna do the backpack. This is so nice. This is really nice. Look at this. This is so beautiful. How do you? Okay, I don't like the fact that it's not like a full opening duffel bag. But I can live with it. I can live with this. Okay, so this is the opener for the duffel bag. Okay. See, when I first put my hand in, I was like, this is not a lot of room. But after I push, I believe, oh, this is the laptop holder right here. Okay. So, this is the inside of the bag. Right? And then this under here is where you put your laptop. And it's a lot of this cushion. So your laptop is going to be protected. Let's see. On that laptop protector or holder, it's another zip up compartment right here. Braces right here. So it's nice. I'll give y'all a closer view. So this is the regular compartment. This is the zipper compartment, and then this is the laptop holder right here. And I think, oh, it's another holder right here. And this one right here. I think that's it. Yeah. So that's the duffel bag. And then, of course, you got this front compartment. It's not that big. You put some stuff in there. The thing that would have really made this bag a killer is a charging like area or a charger port. Like a lot of the backpack that I use now, it has a charger port at the bottom of it. Because it's like more so for traveling. So being the fact that this is a travel case or a travel set, I feel like that would have been real nice to have like a charger. Not necessarily an actual charging port in there, but a spot where you can put your portable charger battery. And it has the spot to where a cord could come out so you could charge it as you're wearing the backpack on your back. That's what I like. But it doesn't have it, but it's still really nice. This is a really nice travel set. Like this would be like a good like carry-on kind of situation. This could be my backpack, and this could literally be my carry-on bag. I like it. I love it. This is very well made. It feels like it's luxury. I'm glad I did this. Now I need a set in color, because if it's set and it looks exactly like how it did on the website and on the Instagram, I need them colors. I need that yellow, I need that orange, I need that red, I need a cream, I need that cream set, I need all of it, and tan, I need all of that. I need it. And the ones with the wheels. I love the fact, first and foremost, that it is a black owned company. I love that. I really love that. I like the fact that it isn't necessarily real leather, so it feels a little good on my conscience. The website, smooth, easy, straight to the point. As far as, I love the Instagram, like their visuals are amazing. Shipping, great. Like I said, I would definitely purchase from this company again. That is it. As always, this has been Love and Life with Destiny, with your girl Destiny. Remember, the best love is self-love. Please do not forget that. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment box below. I'll have no problem answering it to the best of my abilities. Have a blessed day.